How to block channel on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. Here in menu, go to settings. In settings, go to system. In system, go to parental control. In parental control, you can turn on parental controls to prevent children from being able to view certain content. So you can go to this parental control, but first you can create a pin. So for my example, I set 1111, and after you create the pin, you can confirm it. Okay, enter again the 1111, and after that, okay, here in parental control, you can enable first the locks by switching on the switch button on the right side. And after that, you can see the channel block. Now you can block all or individual channels when you turn on the parental control features. So you can go to this. Now okay guys, here and channel block, you can see the channel list. So the channel is set into antenna, but you can set into cable by going to the right, and you can see all channel here. So you can block all channel or unblock all channel. For example, I block all channel. So you can see the lock icon on the right side of this channel. So that's it. We have successfully blocked all channels. So if you want to unblock, okay, go to unblock all channel button and click to remove or unblock the all channel. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully blocked or unblocked the channel on Devant Smart TV.